Did you know that AI is creating millionaires in 2026? It's not some far-off sci-fi fantasy. It's happening right now. And the best part, you need to be a coding genius or a data scientist to get in on the action. The barriers to entry are lower than ever. And if you're watching this, you're already ahead of the curve. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down 3 proven step-by-step methods that real people are using to build fortunes with artificial intelligence. This isn't just theory. I'm talking about practical, actionable strategies you can start implementing today. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to turn AI into your personal income-generating machine. So grab a notebook, because you're not going to want to miss a single detail. Alright, let's dive into our first method: AI-powered content creation and automation. Think about it. Every business on the planet needs content. Blog posts, social media updates, video scripts, emails. The list is endless. Traditionally, this took a ton of time and resources. But in 2026, AI tools have become so powerful they can do most of the heavy lifting for you. We're talking about platforms that can generate high-quality written content, create stunning visuals, and even produce entire videos from a simple text prompt. So, here's the step-by-step guide. Step 1. Identify your niche. Don't try to be a jack-of-all-trades. Maybe you're passionate about sustainable living, or maybe you're an expert in personal finance for millennials. Pick a specific area. Step 2. Master a few key AI tools. You don't need to know them all. Focus on one great AI writer, one AI image generator, and maybe one AI video tool. Get really good at crafting the right prompts to get the best results. The magic is in the prompt. Step 3. Create a portfolio. Offer to create some content for free for a few small businesses or nonprofits. Use these projects to build a killer portfolio that showcases what you and your AI assistant can do. Step 4. Market your services. Get on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even LinkedIn. Position yourself as an AI content specialist. Highlight how you can help businesses save time and money while scaling their content output exponentially. You're not just a freelancer, you're a strategic partner who leverages cutting-edge technology. The key here is that you're selling a solution, not just a service. The solution is more content, faster and cheaper, thanks to your expertise in wielding these powerful AI tools. Let's move on to the second method, which is a personal favorite of mine because it is all about creativity. Creating and selling AI-generated art and digital products. You've probably seen those mind-blowing images created by... What if I told you that you could sell those as prints, t-shirt designs, stock photos, or even as part of digital product bundles? The market for unique high-quality digital assets is absolutely exploding. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Choose your artistic style and platform. Are you going to create fantasy landscapes, abstract patterns, photorealistic portraits? Find a style that resonates with you, then decide where you'll sell. You can use print-on-demand sites like Printful or Redbubble, which handle all the printing and shipping for you. Or, you could sell digital files directly on Etsy or your own website. Step 2. Become a prompt crafting artist. This is where your human creativity shines. Experiment with tools like Midjourney or Stable Diffusion. Learn how to describe scenes, lighting, and artistic styles to generate truly unique and beautiful pieces. Combine different concepts, play with words. This is your art. Step 3. Curate and refine your collections. Don't just upload every single thing the AI generates. Be a curator. Select only your best work. Maybe use a photo editing tool to make minor tweaks and ensure every piece is perfect. Group your art into themed collections to make it easier for buyers to find what they love. Step 4. Market your art. Use social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest. They are highly visual and perfect for showcasing your creations. Share your art, tell the story behind it, and use relevant hashtags to attract your ideal customers. You're not just selling a picture. You're reselling a piece of art that was born from a unique collaboration between human imagination and artificial intelligence. Now for our third and potentially most lucrative method: building AI-powered niche websites and affiliate marketing businesses. This is where you can build a semi-passive income stream that makes money for you even while you sleep. The concept is simple. You create a website focused on a very specific topic. Use AI to help you create tons of valuable content and then monetize that traffic with affiliate links or ads. Let's break down the steps. Step 1. Find a profitable niche. This is crucial. Don't just pick something you like. Do your research. Use tools to find keywords with high search volume but low competition. Think specific. Instead of fitness, think kettlebell workouts for busy dads. The more niche, the better. Step 2. Set up your website. This is easier than ever with platforms like WordPress or Squarespace. Get your domain name and a simple, clean design. Don't overcomplicate it. Step 3. Use AI for content scaling. This is the game changer. Use AI writing assistants to help you outline articles, write first drafts, and even do keyword research. Your job is to be the editor. You guide the AI, fact-check the information, add your personal insights, and ensure the final product is genuinely helpful to your reader. You can produce 10 articles in the time it used to take to write one. Step 4. Monetize with affiliate marketing. Once you start getting traffic, sign up for affiliate programs related to your niche. If your site is about kettlebells, you can link to kettlebells on Amazon, online workout programs, or nutritional supplements. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. You provide valuable information, and you recommend products that genuinely help your audience. Over time, as your content library grows, so does your traffic and your income. So there you have it. 3 concrete step-by-step methods to start making serious money with AI in 2026. We talked about becoming an AI content specialist and helping businesses scale. We covered turning your creativity into cash by selling AI-generated art and digital products. And we explored building a passive income empire with AI-powered niche websites. The common thread here is that AI is a tool, a powerful one. But it's your creativity, your strategy, and your unique human touch that will ultimately lead to success. The technology is accessible to everyone, but not everyone will take action. The opportunity is right in front of you. Pick one of these methods, the one that excites you the most, and commit to taking that first step today. Don't wait for 2027. The future is being built right now, and you have a chance to be one of its architects. Start learning, start creating, and start earning. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more content on how to thrive in this new AI-driven world. Let me know in the comments which method you're going to try first. I can't wait to see what you build. See you in the next video.